Global gold prices surged for the second consecutive day on Thursday, May 2nd. The precious metals value strengthened by 0.3% to $23.25 per ounce in the global market, following a 1% climb in the preceding session. In India though, 10 grams of 24K gold stood at 73,665 rupees while filing the story. This surge is directly linked to the decision by the US Fed to keep the policy interest rates unchanged. The Fed's decision to maintain unchanged interest rates was accompanied by a policy statement retaining key economic assessments and guidance. Fed Chair Jerome Powell articulated a cautious stance and emphasized that future rate adjustments would hinge upon evolving economic indicators. This development though becomes interesting in India's context. India's gold demand has been rising over the last few years. A recent report by the World Gold Council revealed on Wednesday that gold demand in India saw a significant rise by 8%, reaching 136.6 tons in the January to March quarter of 2024. The rise was supported by a robust economic backdrop despite gold prices reaching historic highs. The increase in demand was further fueled by the Reserve Bank of India's robust gold purchases. The central bank purchased over 19 tons of gold during the initial quarter of the current calendar year 2024, surpassing the 16 tons it purchased throughout the entirety of 2023, as outlined in the World Gold Council report. The report further highlighted that India's total gold demand, including both jewelry and investment, rose to 136.6 tons in January to March of the current year, up from 126.3 tons in the corresponding period of the previous year. The World Gold Council report mentioned, and I quote, India's continued strong macroeconomic environment was supportive for gold consumption. Rural demand is now seeing similar growth to that of urban India. In recent quarters, it lagged behind as it struggled to shake off the effects of the pandemic. Gold prices will be keenly watched not only by retail gold investors but also central banks and financial institutions across the world. With growing global uncertainty, the demand for the precious metal is only going to rise further. So, will you invest in gold? Please let us know in the comment section and stay tuned to LiveMint for more such updates.